Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Don't go away for this one.
Beachy Beach.
Today we're over here in the historic Panama City area of the Cove.
I love this area. I mean, look.
It's so adorable. There's a really great turnkey unit you're going to tell us about, Heather.
Absolutely. So we're at the Bay Club Condos and we're right here on the water and have its own pool. And this one bedroom has been updated and remodeled, even down to the furnishings. It comes furnished and it's so cute.
I love the flooring.
Yes, the flooring.
Light and breezy and beachy and just...
And the master bedroom is enormous. It basically is the whole unit on the other side. So it's fantastic. And so you're right here on the water, that coastal decor. The kitchen is been updated and is quaint and perfect for that one bedroom space. We've got to check it out.
So I also love the location of this one.
Yes.
Super close to downtown Panama City.
So what's so great is you've got peekaboo views from the second floor balcony to the water. And you can just skip over to the downtown and enjoy the events that Panama City puts on, or even just the live music on the weekends at some of the restaurants.
Go check it out at the place.
Absolutely.
Get a drink or go to history class or wherever your favorite spot is.
Yes, and you're right here, walking distance. You're right here on the water when the pool overlooks the water. This is a perfect little one bedroom. Could be retirement. You could start out with it. It's just going to be fantastic. And it's offered at only $145. It's absolutely divine.
You don't want to miss this one.
If you want more information, look in the description below for the actual listing links and pictures and all the details.
Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell. You don't want to miss out on future videos like this one.